Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the mirroring mode on Insta360 GO Ultra. Mirroring mode affects how brightness and exposure and focus look like on the camera, and you can change basically what will camera adjust the exposure, brightness and stuff like that to. And it can adjust it either to face or matrix, and I'll show you that and explain everything. So let's slide from the right side of the screen towards the center. Now find a button that either says matrix or face, like that, and now you can set it to face or matrix, but remember different mirroring modes apply to different shooting scenes, so I'll show you that later, but yeah, there's either matrix or face. Matrix is just the standard one. It'll do like the average brightness of the whole image and try to adjust the brightness, so you know it's all fine. Now the face one will focus on your face and try to adjust the brightness to your face, so your face looks great, and everything what's in the background of course will be just, you know, it'll probably be okay, but the image will be, your camera will be mostly focused on making your face brightness and exposure look great, and the other stuff will be just normal, I guess. Now, as I said, in different modes there are gonna be different things. So there's gonna be I can adjust it to matrix in photo, then in video it's still face, right? So yeah, I need to change it separately for each mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.